Hey, what's up Theta Network holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm present with another latest update of Theta Network. My friends, you will be feel very happy after watching this interesting video, because in this video, I'm talking about the surprise news of Theta Network. My friends, Theta Network will going to surprise everyone in the market. My friends, what is the surprise? Keep watching this video for more details, and please click the subscribe button, like this video for more news and updates videos. At this time, the latest price of the Polygon Matic in the market is 8.12 USD dollar. 8.12 USD dollar is the latest price of the Theta Network in the market. And on the other side, my friends, the people are worrying about that the price change is negative completely, my friends. You know what, completely the price is going down in the market. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Theta Network is going negative. So that is why the people are worrying about that, and also angry to Theta Network that why the price not pumping. But my friends, don't worry, I have a surprise news for everyone. My friends, let's see the price chart of the Theta Network for more details. You can see that the Theta Network is completely falls down from the previous last 2 days, and the price chart is last 3 days. From the previous last 2 days, the price of Theta Network is completely falls down. So now tomorrow, my friends, there is a lot of chances to the price will pump tomorrow, because that is the common rules, that is the common principle of cryptocurrencies market, that after a falls there is a jump, in Theta Network falls down from the previous last 2 days. So now tomorrow is the jumping day. What do you think about that? Tell me in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.